It's the Roomba. Brodie, did you just turn this on? You did. Here it comes. It's coming to see you. No, it's not. Maddie, could you put it back on again, please? Maddie, can you turn Roomba back on? I know, it's interrupting you looking out the window. All right, we'll send it on its way to Brodie. See, Brodie, that's how you shut it off. Do you want to explain how we put it back on? I think you're giving it an error message, honey. With the nose. Use the nose. No, use your nose. Come on, turn it back on. Remember how? Come on, like this. Brodie's not quite as sure about it. Oh, if I bow to the vacuum, maybe. Maybe that'll help. It won't chase me. Come on, my big, brave Great Dane boy. Come on. God, the room is actually made it from one end of the room to the other. It's amazing. I'll just watch it from here. Okay, we may have a clean carpet again.